This is the most lovable travel trailers on a 20-foot travel trailers with a bunk. But the point is not just a single bunk. It has the double over double bunk. This is a brand new 2025 Keystone Springdale 20BH. As you see behind this wall, there's two double bunk beds here, and sleep two people on the top, two people on the bottom, and then there's a mega storage underneath. And it has a nice thing is walk around bed on the front. So this is a full queen bed, walk around with a lot of storage on the side, shelves, and it has also the mega storage underneath. You see right there. And the beauty about this unit, again, why people they like this one, because this has a dual axle, not a single axle. This has a 4 wheels. So dual axle, front walk around bed, double over double, a dinette across from the kitchens, and they give you a lot of storage. And also it has the fan for the kitchen. It has also the 13,500 PTU air conditions, power awnings, 2-burner range, a sink, a big microwave as you see, a furnace, and a place for cooking pans. And it has the 12-volt refrigerators, the big one, as you see. And a nice dinette with a table go inside, outside, and a storage underneath the diner bench. And then we say here's the double over double, storage underneath, outside sink with a mirror or a closet. And then the bathroom, they give you a full standing showers with the curtains and nice toilet with no issue with the urinals. When we come out of this trailers, as you see, it's a brand new 2025 Springdale 20BH. The most important thing, this is a dual axle, so it's 4 wheels, not as 2 wheels only. You have a full pass-through storage you see here underneath the bed. It has a power awnings with LED, 4 stabilizer jacks, big windows, and there's a storage here in the rear underneath the bunk. Because I told you the double over double, underneath it there's a storage you could access from inside as well outside. And then in the back, typical Keystone, they give us the spare tires, backup camera prep, ladder prep. The power cord come with it, and the black and the gray bulbs right there. Endless hot water heater. That's very important. Endless hot water heater, and then the pass-through storage with a lot of rooms as you see. Come grab this one because this is the most affordable travel trailer on a 4 wheels, dual axle for only $18.99. Come to Best RV and grab it, and no hidden fees, just tax and license.